Outside again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna. I'm so glad you guys can make it. Today I'm going to be filming a getting stuff done vlog. I feel like my life is not in order. I feel like because of the snow and because of everything going on in my world, I've been putting a lot of stuff on the back burner and it's been hindering my mental health. So I'm really going to just like start cleaning my room up and really decluttering things, kind of trying to minimalize. That's one of my biggest goals for 2022 is to become more of a minimalist because I have so much stuff that I need to get rid of and that I don't ever use. So I'm gonna make a whole series on it for my YouTube channel because I want to bring you guys along with me on this journey. I feel like minimalization is a very good thing, and if you don't use stuff, why not get rid of it or give it to someone that will? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and click that bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you guys are notified. This is my coffee. Let's go ahead and get started so that we can go ahead and start cleaning. Okay, you guys, my first thing that I'm going to be tackling is my dresser. My dresser is like a space where I just throw things and sit it there and it never moves. So I'm going to definitely declutter this, see what's on here that I don't want, that I don't need, get rid of it. Let's get to it. So I really minimized down. It's still kind of cluttered because I have a lot of scrunchies and stuff, but this is all stuff that I used. I'm just trying to find a place to kind of put it that doesn't look so cluttered on top of my dresser, but this is a start because there's not as much stuff on top. These are dirty clothes. I have an extra bin that I can put stuff in. This is my vanity. This is something we got to tackle on a whole different day. It's ridiculous. I have so many beauty products and I really need to minimize on those as well. Like, look at this. Now I'm gonna light a candle because candles always smell good. So I have a lighter right here in my drawer. And I'm gonna light this candle because why not? Why not? This is a Bath and Body Works candle. It is champagne toast, one of my favorite scents. I love champagne toast so much. Yes, let's get it. Now I'm gonna do some sanitizing of my dresser and the drawers as well as my office chair because I don't think that ever since I got this office chair I haven't even sanitized it at all. So we need to do that because COVID is a real thing and it has hit us. So let's go. I just realized that I barely have anything to do today and there's a lot of people at my house, so I'm trying to stay in my room and really just vlog in here, so I can't really go out and clean. But I am going to try to do some laundry. I do need to wash my bedding because if you can't see, my bedding is actually off and all I have is my mattress protector on there. So I already washed my mattress protector last weekend, so I'm not going to wash that again because that doesn't really get slept on because I have my sheets over it. But I'm going to check my emails, including my business email, because I never check that email and I probably have some brands reaching out to me trying to sponsor me and I never check it, so I may be a little bit late on responding to them. So I really need to start checking that more regularly, so let's do that. think what I'm gonna do is dress and put a little bit of makeup on just so I can feel my best self, and then I'm gonna read my Bible because I've not read my Bible today, and I feel like when I read my Bible it sets the entire tone for my day. When I start my day with Jesus, it feels so much better. So let's get that going. It's a little bit later, but I put some makeup on. Whoa. I straightened my hair, got a cute little outfit on, and sorry, there's people talking. It's very hectic in my household, but I got my water cup and I am fixing to start cleaning again because I have a lot of stuff to still do, but I just kind of took some personal time to myself to just kind of take care of myself. So yeah, let's get to cleaning now. You guys, I'm gonna hop on out of here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.